Hi, this is Donna Warren with the Critical Thinking Center at the University of Wisconsin-Stevens Point, and today I thought it might be nice to talk about a couple of philosophical concepts which can sound scary at first because the names might be a little bit unusual, but really aren't that hard to understand, and once you understand them, can really help to sharpen your thinking. So, first concept, metaphysics. Metaphysics is simply the study of the nature of reality from the point of view of philosophy. So, for example, questions like, does God exist? That's a classic metaphysical question. Is reality the kind of thing that contains a God or not? Another metaphysical question might be, what is the nature of the self? Or, in fact, do we have selves? Do selves really exist at all? So, that's metaphysics. Then we have epistemology. Epistemology is the study of what we can know, presumably about the nature of reality. So it asks questions like, can I trust my senses? Or might in fact I be hallucinating all the time? Questions like, are there certain beliefs that are just so obvious that I can take them as justified without argument? Or, in fact, do I need to produce justification for everything that I think in order to take myself to have a really good reason to believe those things? The important thing to note right now, even if your handle on what metaphysics is and what epistemology is a little shaky, which I would expect it to be, especially if this is the first time you've encountered those terms, is they are different things. On the one hand, we have the way things are, the way reality is, right? And on the other hand, we have what we know about reality, or what we can reasonably take ourselves to know. Different things. To see that in a slightly different way, we can imagine that all of the things that are the way they really are in this sort of pink circle. So that's the realm of metaphysics. That is the way things really are. Then we have this other circle, which represents things that we think we know. That would best be, I suppose, the realm of epistemology, or at least the concern of epistemology. Note, different circles. There are a lot of things that really are the way they are, even though we don't know thing one about them. We can think about that as sort of like being the domain of our ignorance. Then there are lots of things that we think we know, but actually misrepresent reality. We think we know them, but in fact they're false. This is the realm of error. The point of critical thinking, and probably thinking in general, is to extend that golden piece in the middle, right? That's our happy place. That's where we think we know something, and in fact we're right. Reality really is that way. So, why does this matter? What's the distinction? Why does the distinction between metaphysics and epistemology matter? Here's why it matters. We here at the Critical Thinking Center talk about something called the Epistemological Slide. There is this tendency to do the following: to make an epistemological claim about what we know, or more often what we don't know. So I don't know something for sure. For instance, I might not know for sure whether there are aliens from other planets visiting Earth, or more broadly, I might not know for sure whether there is intelligent life on planets other than this one. The epistemological slide would be going from that epistemological claim, which is pretty uncontroversial probably, to a corresponding metaphysical claim, like there is no fact to the matter, it's just opinion. Is there intelligent life on other planets? Oh, I don't know, it's just opinion. Why is it just opinion? Well, because I don't know for sure. It might, opinion is a complex concept, but this is in fact the case. There is a fact to the matter there, right? Either there is intelligent life on other planets or there is not. That's my favorite example. Whether or not, I know for sure. A corresponding version, very closely related, of the epistemological slide moves not just from individual ignorance, but from interpersonal disagreement. I might go from, hey, you and I disagree about something. I think that there's intelligent life on other planets and you don't, or vice versa. Therefore, here we slide down into metaphysics. What's true for me isn't true for you. So, okay, it's true for me that there's intelligent life on other planets, but that isn't true for you, right? I think that makes no sense. I think that's a meaningless claim. Either there is life on other planets or not. It can't be true for me and not true for you, or true for you and not true for me. What would that mean? Would that mean that there are some planets that exist for you that don't exist for me, or that those planets have intelligent life for you and they don't have intelligent life for me? Senseless as far as I can see. It's either true or it's false. There is a fact to the matter. You have your beliefs, I have my beliefs, we have our own justification for our beliefs, but here's what we don't have. We don't have our own truths. Truth is common to us all. It is the thing that we try mutually to attain through careful thinking and civil dialogue. So that's the slide. Going from a claim about what we know or what we don't know to what can't be the case, or whether there is or is not a fact to the matter, right? Don't do that. Don't do the slide. On the one hand, we have claims about I can't know something. On the other hand, we have claims about there is no fact to the matter. Don't go from point 1 to point 2, right? So until I see you again, keep off the slide. It's dangerous. Don't go there. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.